connected from your feet to your glutes?
Yeah, I mean, we can do a test right now. Like, do you have a towel?
I can go get one.
Yeah, get a towel. I'll show you. It's very cool.
All right, cool. Like a regular towel or like a face towel?
The regular towel you can put on the floor. I want you to be doing some exercises on the towel with your foot, and you will see.
Uh-oh. All right, got the towel.
Okay, so if you put the towel on the floor,
Got
right?
It.
And then
excuse the toes.
yeah,
okay.
Okay, and then if you press down the ball of the foot into the ground on the towel, right? Yeah, do this barefoot. It will be easier to
barefoot.
see. Yeah, do this barefoot. It will be easier to understand and see how the fascia is working, right?
Gotcha.
So let's say you're lift the heel up slightly, lift the heel up slightly. All right. So you can see immediately. You see the big tendon in front of your shin, the anterior tibial tendon automatically come out, right?
Yeah.
Because you are elite level athlete. Now there are people when they do this, they have nothing. They have no activation of that tendon.
Okay.
Okay, so that's very important. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to use all your toes and grab the towel. Grab it and release it. Grab it, release it, okay? All right, and I'm starting a timer here because the fascia takes some time to respond. All right? Yeah, keep doing it. Try to use all your toes. So what is happening is over time, you're going to feel your glutes.
Yeah.
You already feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yeah, baby. See, only 10 seconds. You only did 10 seconds. You're already feeling your glutes.
Yeah. I never did anything like this before.
I know. It's a subconscious. It's part of you. So it's you know. But guess what? If I have a person, a regular person do this, they're not gonna feel their glutes.
Oh, okay.